Hey, this is Puneet back again. And you know what? There is one major problem with the substitute function. And the problem is it cannot replace multiple values or strings or characters in one formula. And that is something we're going to solve in this video using a new and smart function. So let's have a look.
All right, so here I have this substitute formula that allows me to replace multiple values from this cell where I have, text, and then I have symbols between the words. So the problem is with substitute function is if I want to replace more characters, more symbols, I need to keep adding substitute function in this formula, and it will keep on getting longer and longer. Now, to deal with this problem, we have a new function in Excel that is called regex replace. So when I enter this new function regex replace, in this function, I can specify all the characters, all the symbols that I want to replace in one go. So what I'll do in the first argument, that is text, I have specified my cell that is A1. And then in the second argument, that is pattern, I'm going to start with a double quotation marks and then a square bracket. And after this square bracket, I'm going to specify all the characters that I want to replace. Now I have 10 different values, so I will add all the characters that I have here, which I want to replace. So I'll start with, and once I add my characters that I want to replace, then I'm going to close the square bracket and close the double quotation marks. And in the third argument, I'm going to add a replacement, that is the space, again using double quotation marks. And now I'm going to close my function and hit enter. And let me drag this down. All right, so I need to use trim function with this as well. The reason is that I have a leading space in this value because I have replaced this at symbol from the third value, and that is why I have a starting space, a leading space in this value. So I need to use trim here so that I can remove this space. And here my values are ready. Even if I want to replace the last character that I have here, I can just add it here in the square brackets and it will replace it as well. So you can see I have all the values replaced from all the symbols to spaces.